Hello everybody, thank you for coming and viewing another video of mine. I'm excited for this unboxing. It is another Chanel Beauty unboxing, and as you can see by the title, you'll know exactly what this is. So I had gotten these items separately. One was through an Asian seller who was amazing. I was able to get it for pretty much retail, and she sent it in and provided me this packaging. And this, I got this in the actual Chanel beauty, the beauty counter out where I live. So without further ado, here goes the unboxing. So I got this. It's kind of bent, but this is what I got along with the card. Oh, and I must say I did also order online. So this is a combination of online order, in-store order, and a personal seller. So with the online order, I was able to get this cloth dust bag that can be reusable, and you can put anything that you want in here. But this is what I obtained. I got the Codes Coleur collection, and I got the OVNI. I got this in the store. And this is pretty much your standard Chanel Beauty mirror. And then online, I was able to get the nail file, the overpriced nail file, and I got it in the incendiary. And it's really great to file your nails. It's a glass nail file. And then in store, I got the matching OVNI, the brush set. And it comes with 3 brushes that you can buy individually from the Chanel Beauty website. And it comes with this face brush. I believe this is for the powder. And it comes with a foundation brush right here, which is really soft. I believe this is synthetic fibers. And then it has a dual-ended eyeshadow brush that I intend to use when I do my brows. I will use this end to blend out my concealer, and I'll use this end for like my shadows. And of course, I'll use this brush, this powder blush. I will use it for my powder-based products like my highlighters and like my blushes, anything of that vein. And then from Asia, I got another mirror. And I got the Immortelle shade right here. I really wanted the blush pink shade, the ballerina pink, but it was so hard to get, and I wasn't going to pay an exorbitant price at all. That is not my jam. I'm just really happy that I was able to get this beautiful purple color and this beautiful yellow color that I can add in my collection. One can be part of my travel bag, one can be in my makeup bag. I have the classic black one that I put in my work bag. I just like a variety of options. That's just me. And for further comparison, here's the original black right here. And I noticed that the original black doesn't have the little click mechanism as opposed to the Coleur version. But they all close well. I don't really notice like a difference in quality with the mirrors, in my opinion. I mean, the mirror is just a regular beauty mirror. You have one regular side to view and one magnified side. I just think it's just cute for any collector to add a piece into their collection for the aesthetic purposes. But this is all I have. I'm going to show you what also fits in this brush case in case you want to use it for multiple purposes. So I do have some perfume bottles here. And I just wanted to show you that it fits. It fits very well. If you have like tubular items like brushes or lip glosses, they all fit in here. I wanted just to give you a glimpse. If you have like pencil cases, people could use it. If you don't wear makeup, you could use this as a really nice pencil case. I do have this Tom Ford travel size perfume. This is the Lost Cherry. And I'm here to show you that it fits. And you could definitely add other things in it as well. In the pockets. Just putting it out there just in case you're wondering how else to utilize your brushes. I am a multi-purpose girl, so I always find uses for pieces and items that I obtain. Also, I must let you know that this is made out of cow leather and the lining is made out of recycled PET, and this was made in China. I do have a Killian travel size perfume bottle that fits in here, and you can stack it up with another perfume. This is from Louis Vuitton. This is one of their travel size perfume as well. This is the Contremont, and it fits on top of each other. You just close it up, so you could fit multiple travel sized, depending on the shape and size. You can fit multiple travel size perfume bottles in here if you're a perfume lover like me. I have another smaller size perfume. It is the Baccarat Rouge. Nope, it cannot fit because it has this square shape instead of the tubular cylindrical shape. So I just wanted to put it there so you could see whether or not it can fit or not. I don't know if this is ridiculous, but I do have a thing of tampons. You just stuff your tampons in here and boom, you got a tampon carrying case, travel size. And nobody would know what this is at all. If you want to be discreet, you just take it with you and you keep it inside your carrying case. So I'm just saying, it fits. This is the Coleur brand. I think I just put in about 5 of them and you just stack it up. So, I mean, it is an option. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing. I love these type of items where you get cute multi-purpose sets, gift sets, and things that you could add to your collection, especially on the beauty side. I do see other brands trying to hop on the beauty wave, and I'm not even gonna lie, it is captivating. It is alluring. I do see the fun in it. It is a way for people who wants a piece of Chanel. Chanel knows what they're doing into their collection. Well, I thank you guys for this unboxing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.